guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Project On. Welcome to another Thursday. I am back home. By the way, how have you guys liked the vlogs? A lot of y'all commented you liked them. A lot of y'all commented how I could make them better. Thank you so much for all the replies. Anywho, I am home and I'm filming this video one day before I leave again for Delhi because I'm going for IMT Ghaziabad. I'll tell about that later in this video, so hang out till the end. Anywho, I was in Delhi for the past week. Everybody knows that Delhi is the capital to go shopping. The markets there are crazy, and that is one very huge reason why I love going to that city. Also, I have my family there, but whatever. So you and me are going to be talking about the types of vendors that you will meet at every local Delhi market ever. Shall we? Number one are the smuggle muggles. Please tell me you get what that means. No? Okay, I'll just tell you. So every time you're at a local Delhi market, it could be Sarojini Nagar, it could be Lajpat Nagar, it could be Kamla Nagar, any Nagar that you go shopping to, there's always this, clan of people like roaming around the market, and they're always alone. They're never with anybody. They're just alone, and they have like secret packets in their hand. And when you're like least expecting anybody to kind of just creep up to you, there'll be this one person who comes up to you like, Madam, Rolex ka watch hai, Rolex, Woodland ka wallet lengi kya, Madam, original. If this comes to you as a surprise like it did to me, it'll creep the hell out of you right there. I mean, think about it. In a foreign city, you are in a really local market and this really crazy looking man sneaks up to you with wallets and watches. No, stay away from me. Type of vendor number 2 are the rhinoceros. I am genius with names today, BTW. So these are the kind of people who put like genuine effort, time and very creative brain cells into making sure that their product gets sold. So there's this one gully in Sarojini Nagar which kind of has like, home decor and food and mithai. And while we were going past that, I shit you not, none of this is made up. So he was selling mithai and this is exactly what he said to me. Madam, दूध और मलाई की मिठाई आपने क्यों नहीं खाई? Is it rhetorical? Are we supposed to answer those questions? It's so difficult, but yeah. Type of vendor number 3 are the loopmen. So Superman is super, Batman is a bat, Spider-Man is a spider, and Loopman has a problem. So when you go to these stores, they kind of have their own arrangements of making sure that all the customers kind of divert their attention to their stalls. I swear to God, there was this one man who like very systematically took a stool out of his stall, kept it in front of his stall, and jacket. Oh my God! Now you know why I said loop. Man, that man doesn't stop. I have no clue how he survives. I don't know if he and oxygen are not on talking terms anymore, but he was standing there for the longest time doing this. Jacket. I mean, yeah, it was fun. It gave me a video idea, but Type of vendor number 4 are the trash hawkers. Like they're the trash talkers, but they're hawkers, so they're like trash hawkers. I know, right? So funny. So I can't really decide if these people are really cheap or really smart. What they do is they kind of use really bad words which have like double meanings to get your attention, and then once you look, they kind of just tell that, oh, okay, no, Don't understand what I'm saying? Check this out. This is exactly what this guy was doing at Sarojini Nagar. Arey lag gayi. Jacket pe sale lag gayi, madam. Aaiye, sale lag gayi. You know what intrigues me is when girls kind of go, Hanji bhaiya dikha dijiye. Type of vendor number 5 are the sweetums. I know it's a really bad title. I couldn't come up with anything better. They just yeah. So you know how you try everything and then it doesn't work on ladies because that's your main target audience when it comes to shopping. Men kind of try wooing them in a way by doing like silly stuff. Like I swear to God, me and Sampada, when we were walking on a street near Janpat in CP, I guess, there was this one guy who actually went like this. Madam, le lo na. One, no. No matter how cute that doggy sweatshirt that you own in your stall is, I am not entering that area just because you said something like that. Guys, small tip. Stop it. Number 6 and my absolute favorite are the semicolon and capital O's. Yeah, okay, I stole that from Big Bang Theory. Whatever, stop judging me, alright? These are the kind of vendors who do not give a shit about what you're going through, alright? If you are in the market, you are a valid customer and they're going to do everything in their power to rush over to you and do something like this. क्या बात कर रहे हो? 300 रुपए की बैग नहीं खरीदी? अरे आओ आओ 300 रुपए में बैग्स बिक रहे हैं मैडम. 300 रुपए की बैग तो आप अफोर्ड कर ही सकते हो यार. And you know, when they hurt your female shopping ego, you have to buy the entire store. But apparently that's not a very valid explanation to my father why I got 16 bags. So yeah, that was my really lame interpretation of what I went through when I went shopping in Delhi. But nevertheless, that is the one place I will always online shop. Doesn't matter how scary it gets every year. Do comment below and let me know if you like the video or not. And if you want any more videos like this, by the way, I am on my way right now. By the time you see this video, I'm actually already in Delhi. IMT Ghaziabad has Communicon, that's their annual fest, and there's a panel discussion where I am going to be speaking. So I'm like really important among the smart people. Do make sure you're following me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook for daily updates. By the way, I am finally getting the hang of Snapchat and I am addicted to that shit. I mean, what is it? It's amazing. So make sure you follow me everywhere and I will see you with the vlog on Tuesday and then again on Thursday until we meet again. Love, love. Jacket, 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 jacket. So yeah, we're shooting a collaboration and we have a really fun idea. So we're gonna do each other's makeovers. We've also shot a video on her channel, which I will be linking right here. So check it out. But the twist in the tale is that we're not allowed to use the product meant for that. I'm gonna break it down to you in two parts. One is before. So when you go to some place and you want to crack a joke, start laughing before you even get to the joke. So kind of, you know, you might be the person whose laugh is funnier